A live look for you right now at 10 o'clock. The whipping flags downtown showing this wind is not done with us yet. It has been another blustery and very dry April day in Colorado. Our first alert weather day has officially ended, but not before those winds cause damage across the metro area. Check out this blown over tree downtown. This at 14th and Sherman, right across from the state capitol. Luckily, it doesn't appear anyone was hurt or anything damaged by that falling tree. And over in Wheat Ridge, a huge pine tree came down and shut down traffic. Chase Street was closed from 38th to 41st Avenue. Here's a picture of scale with an officer and a young boy. Those homeowners very relieved it fell onto the road and not onto the roofs. First Alert Media.